part 2. I'm talking about power chords, and a lot of the time some of these solos are based exactly on that. So, for example, this is showing us one where you'd use the 1st fret and the 3rd fret. So on this end of the instrument, 1st fret, can't say it, but I can do it. 3rd fret, I'm going to have to use my middle finger like that. Oh yeah, see, it's got a oomph time. Or if you shift that over one string, same position. As opposed to, like if you were here, and did it here. Or shift it back one. What happens if you shift it over one more? They didn't say what. I don't know, Miss Beth. Dare we try? Go ahead. It's going to be something, isn't it? So, 6th string root, 5th string root is what they're calling those. You also can do them on different frets. You could do 1 and 3, like that first one. And then shift it to what? Shift it to 3 and 5. Shift it to 5. You know, and then it's going to switch what the notes are. At any rate, let's look at the next page. It's the pop riff, early rock riff. This is student page 91. We'll try just a little bit of this before we run out of time. So look what we have. We have 3 in a row that are on 7th fret, 5th fret. Bum, 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 rest, bum, 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 rest, bum, bum, bum. After you do the repeat. So 7 times, it might be, oh yeah, maybe Louie Louie. Dun, 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 dun. It could be. I don't know. It's a surprise. So what do we have? We have 7, which is right here, and 5. Okay, here we go. So here's 7, 5, 7, 5. My fingers just don't want to cooperate today for nothing. Am I looking at this right? Yeah, I am. Then shift back 1. Yeah, it is. It's Louie Louie. Then they want you to go to 9 and 7. So what are we doing? We're shifting. I know it's loud, isn't it? Back to 7. Louie, Louie. So that's how you play that. Hey, have fun with your chords, your power chords, and reading some scales and some movable power chords.